Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Thank you to my subscribers and returning. Thank you so much. Now, we're back to ladies wear. Okay, we're gonna put a hole off on children's wear, and we're back to ladies wear. And I'm doing, as I said last week, I'm doing F. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do today, and I don't think I'll be taking you back to the machine anytime soon, because it's the same thing over and over. Okay, it's just that different pattern, company, and different style, but it's the same thing: dresses, shirts, blouses, skirt, pants, and so on and so forth. So I won't be taking you to the machine as I used to. Okay, so now I've cut all my pieces and I have lengthened mine. Okay, I've lengthened mine 4 inches. Okay, so this is the front. I'm going to take off all my pattern pieces, and I'm going to do the dart first and then do, what do you call it, the front placket, center front. Okay, and this is the back, and where am I? The long sleeves, and we're going to have continuous lap. Okay, and then the pleat, and then what do you call it, the calf. Okay, and what else? This is the tab for rolling the sleeve up, and this is the calves. And what else? And this is the piece for the continuous lap. I always do my a little bit longer, okay, so then I don't have to fiddle with it. I can always cut it off. Good. And these are the pieces for the collar. I've put all my interfacing, or I should say I've ironed all my interfacings in already. Now you need your buttons. You need your buttonhole attachment. You need your button foot. I don't know if I've walked you through using the button foot before, but anyway, I don't think so. When I get to that level, I will take you to the machine if I haven't walked you through it before. I don't think so. We will see. We will see. So anyway, hold on and I'll be right back. Thank you. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, now I've done the front band. That's the wrong side. And then the dart is done. White on white is hard to see. Shoulders are done. Okay, so that's how far I'm going to take you today. And next week we'll do the sleeve, the collar, and so on and so forth, and we'll be done. Maybe we'll finish it next week, or it might take 3 times. I don't know yet, but next week we'll do the sleeve, as I said, and then the collar, then we'll take it from there. Okay, so hold on. So this is the end of the video. I will see you next week. Happy sewing, and bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let's see, where am I? Bye bye.